Hi everyone, this is Kavita. I am a software employee. So I have checked the Facebook advertisement of Happycoin and I thought to do a try for that, and then I have attended a seminar for the introduction, and then after listening to Vaasu Garu, then I thought to take a gold membership, and then I took a gold membership and I got assigned with the financial planner, and my current financial planner is Chaitanya. And actually Happycoin team is so supportive, and they will see all your problems and what are the income levels, everything, and then they will suggest you what are the best suitable investment plans for you. So currently, based on my income, I got a suggestion that to invest in SIP and then to take a term insurance. So team is very helpful, and thanks to the entire Happycoin team. All the best.